So welcome to HSK Languages team. Today I will explain to you a lot of things in Chinese language. Like we already have wrapped up a lot of things in Chinese language. So let's see how the pattern works. Okay. So you have to repeat after me. Now, for example, if I will say Nieman, I will say something in Chinese and you have to grab those. This syllabus especially for the person who has done something in Chinese language. Okay. Now, for example, if I will say Nieman Shui Shi Shenme, repeat after me. Nieman, Nieman Shui Shi Shenme. What is Nieman? Nieman is you all. Because Ni is my you, Nieman is my you all. Okay, Shueshi is my study, Shueshi, and Shanma is my what. If I say, what you all guys are studying, Niman Shueshi Shanma, because see, we already have done, right? So repeat after me, Niman Shueshi Shanma. I will say, woman, wo is I, and woman is we. Now, for example, if I ask you, what are you studying? Niman Shueshi Shanma. And I can say, woman Shueshi Hanui. It means I'm studying Chinese. Hanui, basically, we call it in word Chinese. You say Chinese, Hanui. Repeat after me. Hanui, Hanui. Is it clear to you? So let's repeat after me. Niman Shueshi Sharma, woman Shueshi Hanui. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, if I will say Ch share. Now, what is Ch? We already have done. Ch is this. Ch share. Niman the Chiao shir ma. Chiao shir ma. What I'm saying. Ch shir Niman the Chiao shir ma. Now, for example, I'm asking, this is your teacher. Is this your teacher? See, ma is basically my question particle. This is your teacher. Is this your teacher? Because ma is my question particle. Chashir nimanta chaushir ma. See, I'm asking to you. Ch is my this. Shir is my basically my this my is my vocabularies in English. Shir. Niman is all you. Ta is my particle. Chaushir is my teacher. So I'm asking to you. Is this your teacher? Chashir nimanta chaushir ma. Now repeat after me. Chashir Nimanta Shirma. You will say Pushir. Pu is not. Pu is not Pushir. Pushir not. No. Nashir. Vomanta Nashir dad. Na is my dad. Nashir. Vomanta Shir. Is it clear to you? Now what is the meaning of this? Pushir. No. That is a teacher. Now, for example, there are two teachers. I'm saying Charshi Nimanta Chaushirma. If I ask to you, Charshir Nimanta Chaushirma, Pushir, Nashir Momanta Chaushir, the Chaushir. Now, for example, if I will say Charshir Nimanta Chaushirma, Pushir no, Nashir Momanta Chaushir. Now, what are you saying? Listen to me very carefully. If I'm asking, is this your teacher? Chashir Nimanta Chashirma. You will say push it. No. Now, for example, there's a comparison between two teachers. One teacher is standing and the second teacher is also standing. I will say Chashir Nimanta Chashirma. Push it. Nashir Vomanta Chashir. It means that is our teacher, not this one. Is it clear to you? Na is my dad. Shir is my is MR. Woman er the Chaushir. Is it clear to you? When I asked to you, Neiman, Pan. Now, Pan is basically used for the class. Pan, Tong Shui, Tong Shui, clear? Tuo Pu Tuo, Tuo Pu Tuo, Tuo Pu Tuo. Tuo is all. Repeat after me, Tuo. Tong Shui. Tong Shui basically we use for classmate. Is it clear to you? Repeat after me, Tong Shui. Repeat, see, language is always come the moment you will repeat after me, Tong Shui. Repeat after me, Tong Shui. Tong Shui, basically you have a classmate. Is it clear to you? Repeat after me, Tong Shui. We have a class. Is it clear to you? The classmate, I can say. Pan is a class, Tong Shui. See, Pan is a class. Tong Shui is your classmate. Okay. Tuo is all. Repeat after me. Tuo. Tuo is basically we have all. Tuo. Okay. So I'm saying Niman Pan Tong Shui Tuo Po Tuo. It means in your class, the classmate is Tuo Pu Tuo. It means they're all. Tuo is what? All. Tuo Pu Tuo. Niman Pan Tong Shui. It means in your class. The classmate, the all the classmate or not. You'll say Pu Tuo. Pu Tuo. Not so much of classmates. Okay. Then you can say woman pan. It means pan. It's not pan, it's pan. Class. Woman pan. Yo. Yo is my verb to has have. Chew. Chew. Ke. Tong shui. Is it clear to you? Now what I'm asking. See, one thing you have to understand. If I'm asking to you, Niman pan tong shui tu pu tu. Tu is all. Tu we call as numerous also. Clear? So if I'm asking to you, in your class, there's a lot of classmates. Niman Pan Tong Shui. Repeat after me. Niman Pan Tong Shui Tuo Pu Tuo. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. Niman Pan Tong Shui Tuo Pu Tuo. Can you repeat, please? Can you repeat? Niman Pan Tong Shui Tuo Pu Tuo. Then you will say Pu Tuo. Not so much, not all. Now, for example, you will say woman pan in our class. We have yo is my verb to have. Okay, chew. Okay, I can say chew because that's a typing error. Chew. Chew is basically we have number 9. Chew. Chew. You we have a sound. Chew. Chew. Pan. Pan. Chew. Chew. Is it clear to you? I can say in my class, in our class, we have 9 classmates. Is it clear to you? See, I'm asking, Neiman, you all you, Pan class, Tong Shui is a classmate. Tuo Pu Tuo, it means in your class, the classmate is all numerous of the classmates. Putuo, not so much. Is it clear to you? Woman, it means our class pan yo chuka tong shui. 9 classmates. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, I asked to you, Niman. Niman is you all, plural. The Lao Shir. Repeat after me. Lao Shir. Lao Shir, we have teacher. Okay. Shir Shui. Shui is basically we use for who. Shui. Repeat after me. Shui. Shui is a vocab which we use for who. Is it clear to you, my team? I'm asking in your class, who is your teacher? We say in English, Nimanta Laushir. Nimanta Laushir Shui. It means your teacher is who? Who's your teacher? Ah, simple. Who, sorry, I can say, who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Nimanta Laushir Shir Nimanta Laushir Shir Nimanta Laushir. Nimanta Laushir. It means your teacher is who? Right. So you can say, see, you can say anything. Wang is the name of the Chinese name, Wang. Wang Laushir, it means Wang teacher. Wang Laushir. Her is my aunt. Chang Laushir. Is it clear to you? So I'm saying, if I asking to you, Nimanta Laushir Shishwe, your teacher, Nimanta Laushir Shishwe, you can say Wang Laushir, her Chang Laushir. Is it clear to you? So let's recap again. Now repeat after me. 你们学习什么？我们学习汉语。Now I'm asking to you. 这是你们的教室吗？不是，那是我们的教室。你们班同学多不多？啊，不错，我们班有9个同学。你们的老师是谁？王老师和张老师。Is it clear to you? Now, for example, if I'm asking to you, 你们的老师说不说？说 is my verb to speak. 说 Shuo is to speak. Shuo, pu shuo, inqui. Inqui, we have English. I'm asking your teacher speak English or not? Inqui, we have a English. Inqui, that you we have a tone which is going towards upper, lower, and upper. Inqui. Repeat after me. Inqui. Asking your teacher speak or do not speak English. Nimanta laushi shuo pu shuo inqui. Nimanta laushi shuo pu shuo inqui. You can say Thaman. Thaman pu shuo inqui. Repeat after me. Thaman pu shuo. Thaman pu shuo inqui. Inqui basically we have a English. Thaman. Thaman pu shuo inqui. He now Thaman is they. They don't speak English. Thaman Shuo Hanyui, they speak Chinese. In Kui we have a English and Hanyui we have a Chinese. You can say Taman Pu Shuo in Kui, Taman Shuo Hanyui. Teams, you have to repeat after me. Okay. Now I can say Wan Chang Niman So Shanma. Wan Chang. Repeat after me. Wan Chang. One. So one we have a tone like that. One. Repeat after me. Wan Chang. I can write it down for you. Niman Suo Shanma. Suo is my verb to do. What is Suo? Suo is my verb to do. Wanchang, we have evening. You're asking what you guys are doing in the evening. We say in English, hello, what you guys are doing in the evening. What you guys are doing in the evening. Wanchang. Wanchang, we have evening. Team, repeat after me. Wanchang. Wanchang Niman So Shanma. Wanchang Niman So Shanma. I can say Wanchang in the evening time. Pen down, please. Wanchang. You have to write it down. Wanchang. See, pen down, please. Wanchang. We have already there in the Wanchang. Wanchang. Woman. Woman. Fushi. Fushi. Shanks. Repeat after me. Shanks. Is it clear to you? Fushi, basically we have verb to review. You know, to review. Review. Repeat after me. Fushi. Fushi basically we use for, review. Clear? Repeat after me. Fushi. I'm saying in the evening, one chang, woman, we review the new words. Shanks. CI sound is tss, tss. That's a Chinese sound. I'm saying one chunk, it means evening. Woman, fushi, shanks. It means I review the new words. Is it clear to you? Nyan, kavan. Kavan is my verb to text, to read a text. Nyan is my verb to read. Nyan kavan, to read a text. Think is my verb to listen. Think is my verb to listen. Think. Luin, Luin. Luin is my verb to recording. So I listen the recording. Think. So basically, third thing. Now repeat after me. One chang. If I asking to you, I ask to you, hello. I can say, Ni hao wan chang, ni man so shanma. What you guys are doing in the evening? Ni man so shanma. A woman, I fushi shangs, nian is my verb to read. Nian kavan, think lui in. Is it clear to you? Clear? Okay. So repeat after me. So is my verb to do. So lianchi. Team, repeat after me. Repeat. So basically is my verb to do. Repeat after me. So lianchi. Lianchi is my verb to exercise and to practice. If I'm saying I do exercise, I do practice. Lianchi. Lianchi is my verb to exercise and to practice. So lianchi. Is it clear to you? Clear, team? Yo is my verb to have. Yo shirho. Repeat after me. So first of all, you have to understand what is suo. We already have done. Suo is my verb to do. Clear? Lianshi. Lianshi is my verb, is my word, which is we call as exercise and to practice. Is it clear to you? Yo shirho. Yo is my verb to has. I have shirho is my time. Shirho. Repeat after me. Shirho. Shirho is my vocab to time. Time. Shirho. 我们也看电视. If I have a time, yo shirho. If I have a time, I have a time. Have a time. 我们 we. Year is also year. Khan is my verb to look. See, this is my verbs. Nyan is to read, thing is to listen, Khan is to read, shu is to speak. Is it clear to you? Yeah, Khan, Tianshir. Tianshir is to television. So I can say if I have a time, we also, if we have a time, we also look, watch the television. Woman, Ye Khan, Tianshir. Is it clear to you? Clear? So that how we're working for a pattern. See, obviously, I want to explain to you a lot of things in this Chinese language pattern, but yes, there's something which I want to give it to you, which is these, the phonetics, the sounds, and all these things. Clear? And definitely, I will create a lot of videos for you. Now, repeat after me. 你们学习什么？我们学习韩语。这是什么的教室嘛？不是你。那是我们的教室。你们班同学读不多？不多。我们班有9个同学。你们的老师谁？ If I asked you, 你们的老师是谁? Now repeat after me. 你们的老师, who is your teacher? See, you have to listen my voice and to understand. 你们的老师说不说英语？他们不说英语，他们说韩语。晚上你们说什么？晚上我们复习上。你看课文听语音。说两节，有时候我们也看两节. Steam that how you can working for a pattern. Repeat these things again and again after me, and it will definitely help you out. Okay, so my time, Sai Chen. Bye bye. Take care, Shishi. Thank you.